It is such a thing a perfect. Many things look perfect, and many people want to try become perfect in at least one part of their life or in the role they take on. You want to become the perfect leader in the eye of your teammate. You want to become the perfect wife for your husband. But we are the human. We can try, we can say, we can feel perfect in a moment. But very difficult to maintain is yes, we are the human and human makes the mistake. I remember my first love. I meet her, I love her, and in my thing, she was perfect. Number one in my eye, in my heart, and in my mind. But over time, I feel sometimes she didn't respect me, or she not love me more than I love her. So we cannot stay long time together. And anyway, perfect is good for yourself. Want to become perfect for yourself. You want try to perfect with the people you care about, but perfect never maintain. So we can try do the best for every day. You can try do the best for everyone you want. Is perfect. Thank you.